Good afternoon, third grade online learner. Welcome to welcome to science class with Mr. Monzo. March 22nd, 2021, where I am with my homeroom and they are all paying attention. Okay, physical changes. This is what we're talking about. Changes. That's a song. Energy and changing states. What happens to ice cubes left in a glass in a warm room? They become liquid water. Water has changed state from a solid to a liquid. In either state, water is still water. A change in state is a physical change. A physical change is a change in the size, shape, or state of matter. A physical change does not change the makeup of the matter. Water is still water. Why do you have to eat a frozen juice bar quickly on a hot day? The juice bar melts because energy in the form of heat causes the change in state. The particles of a solid are very close together. They move back and forth in position. Okay, next page. Next page looks like this. Matter heats up when energy is added to it. Adding energy causes particles of matter to move faster. Adding enough heat to a solid causes it to melt, or change state from a solid to a liquid. When a liquid is heated enough, it will boil, or change state from a liquid to a gas. When liquids evaporate, they change state slowly from a liquid to a gas. You can think of boiling as a liquid evaporating rapidly. Matter cools when energy is taken away. Taking away energy causes the particles of matter to move more slowly. When a gas is cooled, it will condense or change state from a gas to a liquid. When a liquid is cooled enough, it will freeze or change state from a liquid to a solid. Liquid. The particles of a liquid are close together. They can slide past each other. Gas. The particles of a gas are spread far apart. They move very fast in all directions. There you go, liquid and gas. Kind of a short lesson today. We have one more page. Thank you for paying attention, everybody. Thank you, Lydia, for paying attention. And here's the last page. Looks a little bit like Lydia. Useful physical changes. How do you make a paper airplane? You fold a sheet of paper in a certain way. You can also use scissors to cut notches in the wings of the plane. In both cases, you are changing the shape of the paper. These physical changes are useful because they allow the paper to glide through the air. Every day you make physical changes to matter, so the matter is useful to you. Sharpening pencils and tying shoelaces are physical changes. Mixing chopped celery into a tuna fish is a physical change. You can taste both the celery and the tuna. That's because mixing does not change the celery or the tuna into new kinds of matter. What are two ways you can make a useful physical change? Just like the girls in this picture, cutting and folding, or molding clay. These are physical changes. Okay, thank you everybody for being patient during the video and not asking silly questions. Jake? You can wait until I'm done with the video. All right, so we will continue with this lesson on physical changes tomorrow, and we'll have 3 journal entries this week. We only had 2 last week, 3 this week, and a quiz on Friday. Second day of spring. Enjoy the nice weather. See you, third grade online learners. Bye-bye.